So here we got a car with drove their brake pads to the bare minimum, metal on metal, and as you can see, there is no brake pad. Hey, where's the brake pad? It's gone. So if you start hearing any noise, any chirping, any squealing, any scraping, maybe it's time to start checking your brakes. Don't let this happen to you. You'll have an unsafe car on the road. Be safe, check your brakes, prepare to stop, get them inspected and repaired. Have a great night.